Hello, my beautiful souls. Hey, now, this is the month of balance and temperance. Now, last month we were getting rid of things, right? We cleared the energy. We cleared our lives of the things we didn't want. Now, and it's in perfect time with everything going on in the world and everything, it is finding that balance. Now, here's the thing. My balance is not your balance. My temperance is not your temperance. What's the difference between temperance and balance? Well, balance is our time, our boundaries with friends and family, our activities. What makes us feel centered so that when we go into the world, we feel whole, doing our groundings. And I'm going to teach you a wonderful grounding in another video. And the other thing is temperance. Temperance is a little bit different. That has more with keeping things from being overindulgent, like our eating, over-exercising, just like overeating. Same thing, right? It's temperance. It's a vice of too much, gluttony kind of thing. And they call it the sin when you don't have it, which is silly. But it is just as important, because if you don't have temperance, then you can't be that centered, well-balanced feeling. So they work together. In other words, it's doing the things in your life that help you to feel the very best and the true you. Now, here's the thing I would tell you to do. If I was, if you were my client and you were having trouble getting this into your life, I would say the best thing to do is to schedule it in. I get up in the morning. What do? I do great time to do my stretching, maybe a nice, easy 15-minute kind of yoga thing to get all those little joints going. And then I would write, I have to drive my son to school, then have some breakfast or whatever. And then as I'm getting out the door again, grounding. So I would put grounding in there. I would write, and then at lunch, what am I going to do if I go to work? Or if I'm doing writing, what am I going to do? How am I going to take a break? Maybe take a walk in nature, do my meditation in my sacred space, or do a meditation out in the sun. But I would put these things, and then exercise. I would put in the things that are going to help me feel centered and beautiful for the day. And I might even put in, listen to music, because I love music. So I would find a time in that day and the type of music I listen to, to renew myself. All right? But I would write it down. And then when it becomes habit, then you can finesse it and change it. It's not written in gold. So you can change it and make it fit into whatever you want. And then you will start to see the benefits of being more balanced. And there'll probably be another video right down here. So all about grounding, which is a different thing, but really fun and very important to do. So I will see you soon.